Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, are you a tech enthusiast and looking to take the next step in your career as data engineer? So, whether you are a seasoned professional or someone who is just diving into the world of data engineering, we have an exciting opportunity to share with you today. So, NTT Data, which is a global leader in digital and AI infrastructure, is looking for passionate data engineers to join their team in Bengaluru. So stick around to learn all about the role, key responsibilities, required skill sets, and how you can apply for this amazing opportunity. So entity data is basically a $30 billion global innovator of business and technology services, serving 75% of the Fortune Global 100. Entity data is focused on helping clients innovate, optimize, and transform for long-term success. So, with over 50 years of expertise and presence in more than 50 countries, they are truly at the forefront of the digital future. They invest over $3.6 billion annually in research and development, creating cutting-edge technology solutions that help organizations around the world move confidently and sustainability into the digital age. So let's understand about the job title. So the job title is going to be for ETL. That is ETL full form is extract, transform, and load. Basically, you'll be working in the ETL department in data engineering. So the role is basically requires you a key player in designing, building, and maintaining scalable data pipelines in ETL. That is, as I mentioned, extract, transform, and load process. So you'll be working with the large data sets, collaborating with team across various departments and ensure the data is ready for analysis and decision making. So let's discuss the key responsibilities for this role. So as you can see on the screen, they have mentioned some of the key responsibilities from designing and developing data pipelines. You will be creating efficient data pipelines that handling vast amounts of data and optimize them for performance. Also, you'll be working with ETL processes where you'll be working on extracting, transforming, and loading data from different sources to make it accessible and reliable. And you will be working on data integration part where you will integrate data from various systems, ensuring a seamless flow of information. And you will also collaborate with data scientists and analysts to understand their data needs and deliver the right solutions. And also you have to ensure data quality by testing and validating data to ensure it is clean, reliable, and up to standard to a big part of your role, because this is going to be a big part of your testing the data's qualities and performing the extract, transform, and load on the data. So and also you have to deal with the big data, big data and large amount of data sets as well. So it is all about your responsibilities when you join entity data as data engineer. So now, if you want to succeed in this role, you'll need to have some solid technical expertise as well. So here's they have mentioned some of the required skill sets, which is you must have the strong ETL development knowledge along with the programming skills like Python or Scala and data processing frameworks as well. You must have the familiarity with tools like Apache, Flink, or for processing large data sets in real time. And you must have the knowledge of SQL and databases as well, because strong understanding of SQL will give you the expertise in how to work with the databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, etc. Plus, familiarity with NoSQL database like MongoDB is also required. And you must have the hands-on experience with cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud. Anyone is fine out of these three. And also you should have the knowledge of data warehousing, where you should have a familiar with the tools like Databricks, Snowflake, and data lakes. Data integrity also is required. You must have excellent problem solving skills and attention to detail. Preferred qualification also they have mentioned, as you can see on your screen. You should have a bachelor degree in computer science, and you should be experienced with data orchestration tools and data modeling. You should have the familiarity with containerization and tools like Docker and Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a container which is used for large data set, and Docker is also used for hosting or deployment of your particular project. So you must have experience more with this kind of tools and also work environment. And let's talk about little bit about the company's culture. So NTT fosters an inclusive, adaptable, and forward-thinking work environment. They provide opportunities for career growth and offer opportunities and exceptional work culture as well. So they invest in the future and content training and exposure to cutting edge technology. So you will be getting all these things like trainings, other exposures, and very good salary, plus opportunity for career growth, etc. So how to apply. So you application link I would be mentioning in the description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible before it expires, because this type of jobs expires very soon. Now, since you have done so, if you are looking for work in a dynamic environment with opportunities for growth and development, NTT Data is could be your perfect fit. So remember to check out their full job description and apply if you are ready to take your data engineering career to the next level. And as I mentioned, the link I have already mentioned in the description. Also, do join our WhatsApp and Telegram community for daily job updates and many more courses and all things that we share over there. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more job insights and career tips. Best of luck, and we hope to see you at NTT.